Hey guys,
Good morning.
good morning. Hope you guys enjoyed that intro. Today we are at CHANNARAYANA Durga Fort, which is located about 100 kilometers from central Bangalore. And I've left the link to the location in the description box below. So if you want to come here, you can check that out. There's no parking space available when you're starting the trail, so you have to make your way through the small village and ask the localites where you can park your vehicle and then start your way up.
The starting of the trek is quite steep. You have to come really slowly, and it's not recommended that you come during the rainy season.
So now we're gonna continue our trek. Join us and let's see how it goes. So we started from approximately 800 meters in altitude and just 15 minutes into the hike, and you can see the backdrop is already pretty amazing. There are some trail marks on the way, so you can use them to make your way to the top. So we have now just made our way through the first gate of the fort. There are supposed to be actually 6 entrances to the fort. I'm not sure which one we have taken right now, but the walls are so huge. I think they must be about 15 feet in height, and it looks absolutely amazing. I'm just surprised actually the walls have stayed this intact even after so many years, because the fort was actually built out in the 17th century, so it's about 400 years old, and it's pretty amazing to be in this place right now. Take a look at this wall over here, and you can see there is some kind of steps everywhere. Not really sure how they were supposed to be used. So guys, we have reached the top now. It took us about 1.5 hours to reach here, and according to my watch, the altitude right now is 1141 meters.
Yeah, and the distance is 1.2 kilometers. The trail has rocky terrain, it has dry grass, and some stairs to reach the top.
Yeah, and the view from the top is absolutely amazing. And in terms of difficulty, I think I'll rate this trek as a moderate one. The only tricky part is the one at the start, and especially during the rainy season, I'm sure it's going to be extremely difficult. So if you have a choice, come here during the summer or late winter.
But the climb is really worth it. Apart from the amazing view, the fort walls are still intact, and it takes you back in history.
I agree, because this fort was actually built in the 17th century by a local chieftain who used to rule in the Madhugari district. You can actually see the Madhugari fort from here as well. And since then, it's shifted hands with many kingdoms like the Marathas, the Mysore kingdom, and the British as well. So it's quite astonishing to see the fort is in still that good condition, except the first phase, because there's a local rumor that there could be still treasure stored over here. So many people have actually come and dug it and kind of broken some walls over there. But apart from that, I think only nature is seen in all the places of the fort.
Yeah, the translation of Channarayana Durga Fort is Fort of Gold.
So,
That's why
yeah.
people believe that there is still treasure here.
Absolutely. But actually, thinking about all the strategy and kingdoms and history, I think it calls for a game of chess.
Mm-hmm.
So are you up for it?
Sure, game on.
Okay, so comment below if you are on Team Akshay or Team Nandita's side. And now we're gonna play a game of chess. Alright guys, so we are on our way back down now. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like and a comment letting me know which was your favorite moment of the video, and make sure you share the video with your friends and family as well. This place is truly a gem of Karnataka. Until next time, have a good one.